Tundra so I can put the reggae masters on. So I'm taking the old school. She eating rice in a cup. How many of y'all used to eat y'all cereal in a cup? That'll show your age. Ugh, that is so ghetto, Zosh. I don't do that. Bye, Civic. Just traded the Civic for this Tundra. You like my new car?
I bought it.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
All right. Oh, never mind. I gotta forget.
You gotta record Demetrius.
Damn, boy. Bills are dropped off to Randy. He's gonna bring them back later so he can check out the Integra and hear it because he haven't heard it yet. So, yeah. Shit, by the time this video goes out, I didn't even finish recording the previous video that you watched of me first driving first start of the Integra. So we're back home from my girlfriend's brother's graduation ceremony, and my wheels should be, bruh. I'm so sad about that. Yes, 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 bruh. Ice, 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 yeah. Money. It has been enough waiting around. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I decided to say screw it. I'm gonna run the brake pads that I have on the car now. I'm gonna put on the Rega Masters and then we're just gonna send it. When I ever get the new brake pads in, then we'll put them on then. But now I wanna drive my car. It's been a long time. So I'm gonna put the Regas on and then we're gonna just see how the fitment is, and then the car is completely revealed this video with the new wheels and the fitment and, you know, putting everything back on the car. It's getting done right now. So I'm at the Trusted Civic Center with the new setup. Let me know what you guys think of the cinematic. Wasn't my best work. Ready to go watch Top Gun, so I'm trying to make this quick. Dude, the 17's wild. 17's, I just need a diffuser in the back to drop it more low. Well, not drop it more low, to make it look more aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, this is the setup. 17 by 8 plus 38, 4 by 100 17's, bruh. It's wild. I mean, if I was ready for the damn time attack with this car still, we'll be ready to roll. But fitment is on point in the back. The front, the cool thing about track light fenders, I just gotta space it out. I just gotta get my hand in there, loosen it, and then like space it out so it can clear. Just gotta pull it out and space it. But the rear, it's wearing a little bit, you can see. I just gotta do a minor camber, some little cambers. But yeah, this is it. This is my baby. This is my baby girl, Crustina. What do you guys think? Let me know. So it is the next day. I spent the entire day, it was been raining outside like crazy, but I spent the day doing the final adjustments on the fitment because, bro, the front fitment was perfect. Even with me spacing out the front fender, it still rubbed a bit. But what I did, I think I'm gonna have to go lower, higher too. But what I did, I raised the car actually and it clears. And I have the suspension on full stiff, so it should be solid. I mean, I think 12K front and then 14K rear, but I think what I'm gonna do, I'm going to upgrade the suspension to Swift springs. So the Riaction Coilovers are perfect. They've been working, bro. Reaction, money, bro. It's perfect. And if you're looking for coilovers, look no further, Playboy. Use discount code Zosh for 15% off. Use that code or else. Yeah, that's how I'm rocking, player. I think I'm gonna just upgrade the springs to Swift springs, 14K, or maybe do 16K rear and then 14K front. Or 16K front, yeah, that's what it is. 16K front, 14K rear is probably what I'm aiming to do. To stiffen it out a little better. It might ride a little weird depending on how I go about attacking the front aero, of course, because honestly, aero, you want to minimize a lot of air pockets coming in here unless you do proper ducting, which I do not have. But again, this car isn't going to be my, you know, my time attack car anymore. Every component on this car was focused on this being my ultimate time attack car, and I am going to do that, but my main focus on time attack is the Civic. That Civic is that's my dedicated like race car that I only want to use for racing, and then this would be like the car that stays in the fleet during the thousands upon thousands mini setups that I've been going through. Having a light on the car indicates a lot of stuff in my paint that I need to fix up. There's like little scratches and stuff. People think my car is like super nice. I mean, I appreciate it. Bodie did a great job on the paint. I just haven't taken care of it. I never got this car like clay barred, nothing like that, bro. And it still give you that nice gloss shine effect. That ain't nothing. Don't worry about that. Ain't nothing. That's the setup. I hope that clears. I hope it ain't too bouncy. I did camber the rear end, so the rear is cambered and that fits perfect. It shouldn't hit at all. If anything, I just probably add some more camber. Over here on this side, this definitely fits. Like, we're money on this side. The front over here, I believe is, well, this never rubbed or anything, so yeah, I got fitment there and it never rubbed, so. But I can also just add camber. I really want to add another top one rear motors diffuser back on the car because I do need a diffuser back here and I want something nice. And well, top one, it has like one of the best looking diffusers for the car. Looks good, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't perform any better, but it looks good. So I have 2 spare valve covers. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway on either one of those. So if you're interested, it's actually live right now. I just haven't made the official post on Zosh MFG's Instagram page. But if you guys are looking for a chance to win one of my valve covers signed by your boy, pick up anything on the Zosh store. I'm doing it from today till the end of the month, so any order from today to the end of the month will be entered automatically to win one of the valve covers. I will ship it out to you randomly, so, well, never mind, because Shopify tells you when you have a shipment. So, but anywho, I do a live drawing on Zosh MFG's Instagram page, and whoever wins will have a signed valve cover. It's just something cool to give back to you guys for, you know, for just supporting me, man. I really appreciate it. But anywho, I already filmed an outro earlier today, so let's just, I guess, play it from there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on the video. Please subscribe. Well, you ain't gotta do it. I'm thinking about doing one side powder coat, not powder coat, one side plaster dip black. Thinking about doing tire ladders as well. I don't know. Just trying to figure out new ways to transcend the car to make it look cool, more aggressive. I do want to get a vented bonnet. I'm thinking about the first molding one, but I got to get my bread right first for all my debts and stuff, and then from there I'd not be able to probably purchase a first molding bonnet and then go from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, look, I have posters, bro. There's posters on the website. If you want a signed copy of Akira in your garage, your office space, your bedroom, your side chick's room, you know what I mean, anywhere you want placed, I have those available on the website. They're 15 bucks, so if you want to help out the channel, you're more than welcome to do that. This would be very appreciated. And yeah, that's it for this video. Finally, long time in the making. It seems like I should have been put the wheels on and then dial in the fitment, and then when I get the brakes and do all that, blah 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 blah. But anywho, that's the bit. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.